and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about an essential aspect of student life, time management. As a student, you have a lot on your plate: classes, homework, extracurricular activities, social life, and perhaps even a part-time job. With so much to do, it can be challenging to keep track of everything and make sure you are using your time effectively. That's where a good timetable comes in. A timetable is simply a schedule that outlines your daily activities and helps you manage your time better. Creating a timetable can seem daunting, but it is a straightforward process that can make a big difference in your life. Here are some tips to help you create an effective timetable. Set your priorities. The first step in creating a timetable is to determine your priorities. What are the most important tasks that you need to accomplish each day? Make a list of these tasks and order them based on their importance. Use a planner. Once you have your priorities set, it's time to start filling in your planner. You can use a physical planner, a digital planner, or even a simple notebook. Be sure to include your class schedule, homework assignments, study time, and any other important events or commitments. Be realistic. When creating your timetable, it's essential to be realistic about how much time you have available. Don't overbook yourself or expect to get everything done in a short amount of time. Give yourself enough time to complete each task without feeling rushed or stressed. Be flexible. Life can be unpredictable, so it's essential to be flexible with your timetable. If something comes up, don't be afraid to make adjustments to your schedule. Just be sure to stay on track with your priorities and don't let one disruption derail your entire day. Stick to your schedule. Finally, the most important thing about creating a timetable is sticking to it. Make it a habit to check your schedule every morning and stay focused on your priorities throughout the day. With practice, you will find that following your timetable becomes second nature, and you will be able to manage your time effectively and accomplish your goals. In conclusion, creating a timetable can be a game changer for students. It can help you stay organized, manage your time effectively, and achieve your goals. Remember to set your priorities, use a planner, be realistic, be flexible, and stick to your schedule. With these tips, you will be on your way to mastering the art of time management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice on student life. We regularly post new videos on topics such as study strategies, time management, exam preparation, and much more. So, hit the subscribe button and join our community of motivated students who are striving for academic success. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let us know what topics you would like us to cover in our future videos. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.